There is a quiet frustration building in the offices of every creative professional in America. You've felt it. You're sitting in front of a $3,000 Mac Studio, powered by the most advanced silicon on the planet, yet you're staring at a screen that feels like it's stuck in 2022. For 4 years, Apple has sold us a studio display that lacks the very thing we've come to expect from our iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks: promotion. But as we sit here in February 2026, the silence from Cupertino is about to be broken. Supply chain leaks, regulatory filings, and internal code found in the latest iOS 26 builds all point to one thing: the Apple Studio Display 2 is not just a refresh. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It is a total technological overhaul designed to kill off every mid-range monitor competitor in the market. If you are about to buy a monitor today, stop. You need to hear what is coming, because Apple is about to change the desk setup game forever. The biggest secret lies in the J527 project. That is the internal code name for the next generation display, and the most recent leaks have confirmed the one thing we've all been begging for: 120 Hz promotion. For years, Apple argued that 60 Hz was enough for static creative work. They were wrong, and they know it. The Studio Display 2 is finally bridging the gap. Imagine the fluidity of your MacBook Pro screen, but expanded to a glorious 27-inch 5K canvas. No more ghosting when you're scrubbing through a 4K timeline. No more stuttering when you're scrolling through thousands of lines of code. This is the Pro experience we were promised 4 years ago, finally realized. But Apple isn't just giving us more frames per second, they are fundamentally changing how the light hits your eyes. The current Studio display uses an aging IPS LCD panel with standard edge lighting. It's good, but it lacks the soul of modern HDR. The Studio Display 2 is moving to Mini LED. This is the same technology that transformed the iPad Pro and the 16-inch MacBook. By using thousands of tiny LEDs grouped into hundreds of local dimming zones, the Studio Display 2 will finally offer true blacks and a staggering peak brightness of 1600 nits for HDR content. This isn't just a spec bump, it's a career-changing upgrade for colorists and photographers. You'll finally be able to see the detail in the shadows and the highlights of your work exactly as they were meant to be seen, without the gray-black blooming that has plagued Apple's LCDs for a decade. Now, let's talk about the brain of this machine. The original Studio display had an A13 chip, the same chip from the iPhone 11. It was there to handle center stage and spatial audio. But the rumors for the Studio Display 2 suggest something much more aggressive: the A19 chip. Why on earth does a monitor need a chip that powerful? Because the Studio Display 2 is becoming more than a monitor. It is becoming an active intelligence hub. With the A19, the monitor will be able to handle Apple Intelligence tasks locally. Imagine your monitor automatically color grading your webcam feed in real time, or using advanced AI denoising on your microphone array so you sound like you're in a soundproof studio, even if your neighbor is mowing the lawn. And then there is the connectivity revolution. Thunderbolt 3 is old news. The Studio Display 2 is reportedly debuting with Thunderbolt 5. We are talking about 120 gigabits per second of bandwidth. This is the one cable dream, finally perfected.